we've got Saturn left behind here. It's at 0 minutes. Mars is now at 45 minutes, and Mercury is at 55 minutes. So at this point, on the 20th, if it didn't let loose on the 19th, it's probably going to fly high on the 20th of April. And Mars is going to be impulsive to act, and Mercury is going to be holding its hand and saying, let's go. Okay. It's going to basically be the Thelma and Louise moment where they grab hands and said, over the cliff. All right. So be mindful around the 20th. There are some very serious energies here that are at play. And oh, by the way, you still have right here, you've got Pluto squaring. Okay, Pluto is right here, and it is squaring the sun. It is starting to square the sun as the sun goes into Taurus. So Taurus people are not going to be happy. They're going to feel unsettled. Okay. And there's probably going to be something that happens on the 20th that's going to be very unsettling and out of the clear blue where people don't see that it's coming. Okay. On top of that, you have here Venus in Taurus getting very, very close to this Uranian energy. Okay. And if you've heard me talk before, you know Uranus is my favorite planet. It's my lead planet in my chart. Uranus is the lightning bolt in the sky. Okay. And Uranian energy is kind of like, I would say it's similar to Martian energy, but Martian energy is physical. Okay. It's a physical push to move forward. Uranian energy is an electrical impulse to move forward. Okay? It is that quick, sudden energy that we see in a lightning storm in the sky. And with Venus conjuncting this Uranian energy, okay, there is some change. This is making us look at our values. And Uranian energy is about revolutionary energy, it's about uniqueness, it's about independence. And Venetian energy, ruled by Venus, okay, is all about the staid, conventional, natural forms of beauty. Well, this Uranian energy is trining Plutonian energy here, and I use those words specifically because plutonium and uranium are essential elements that make up nuclear power plants. So if you don't think that this plutonium, you know, transformational energy isn't feeding into this lightning bolt of Uranian energy to impact what we value, I just have a feeling that on April 20th, and no, I'm not doing something to make me hallucinate, okay? I just have a feeling that with this energy here, with the Mars energy, that something's going to happen on the 20th that is going to rock the world, okay? And we're going to know about it. And uh, particularly in light of the fact that the moon is also going to be in Gemini, and it's going to demonstrate to us something about the duality of our nature, about how we feel. It's going to probably bring out differing feelings from differing groups, which would be no different than what we've been experiencing the last several years. Um, so, for those people who have Mars energy, this is a time, be very, very careful. Okay? Try to limit your impulses. Just because you feel it doesn't necessarily mean you need to act on it. Okay? You need to apply a little bit of thought, and is it doing something that's to your better good? All right? Please be careful, and remember, don't do anything I wouldn't do. And that includes Uranian energy, so have a good time at it, okay? Peace out.